Have you ever wondered how a single man became so powerful that both humans and curses feared his very existence? This is the story of Gojo Satoru, the strongest sorcerer in the world of Jujutsu Kaisen. Born into the prestigious Gojo clan, Satoru was no ordinary child. From the moment he entered the world, everything changed. He was the first person in hundreds of years to possess both the legendary Six Eyes and the Limitless technique. His birth alone shifted the balance of power. Curses became stronger in response to his existence, and the entire Jujutsu world realized that a once in a generation prodigy had arrived. As a teenager, Gojo studied at Tokyo Jujutsu High alongside his best friend, Suguru Geto. The two were inseparable. Together, they were considered the strongest duo among sorcerers. They took on dangerous missions, defeated powerful enemies, and believed they could protect everyone. At this point in his life, Gojo was talented, confident, and perhaps a little arrogant, but he had yet to understand the true weight of being the strongest. Everything changed during a mission to protect a young girl named Riko Amanai, who was destined to become the star plasma vessel. While escorting her, Gojo and Geto encountered a terrifying assassin named Toji Fushiguro. Unlike most opponents, Toji possessed no cursed energy whatsoever. This made him almost invisible to Gojo's senses. In a shocking battle, Toji overwhelmed the young sorcerer and nearly killed him. For the first time in his life, Gojo tasted defeat. But at the edge of death, something extraordinary happened. Gojo awakened a deeper understanding of curse energy and mastered the reverse curse technique. He returned stronger than ever before. His abilities evolved to a completely different level. He unlocked techniques such as red, blue, and the devastating hollow purple. When he faced Toji again, the battle was over almost before it began. The strongest sorcerer had truly been born. However, victory came with a heavy cost. The tragedy surrounding Riko Amanai deeply affected Suguru Geto. Over time, Geto began to lose faith in humanity. He questioned why sorcerers risked their lives to protect people who knew nothing of their sacrifices. Eventually, he abandoned his ideals and turned against the very society he once defended. For Gojo, this was devastating. The strongest sorcerer in the world could defeat curses and enemies, but he could not save his closest friend from falling into darkness. Years later, Gojo became a teacher at Tokyo Jujutsu High. Rather than simply fighting curses himself, he chose a different path. He believed the Jujutsu world was broken and needed change. His goal was to nurture a new generation of powerful sorcerers who could reshape society for the better. Students like Yuji Itadori, Megumi Fushiguro, and Nobara Kugisaki became the future he placed his hopes in. But darkness was gathering once again. An ancient curse known as Ryomen Sukuna began to awaken, while a mysterious mastermind orchestrated events from the shadows. During the Shibuya incident, Gojo found himself trapped in a carefully planned scheme. Surrounded by countless enemies and forced to confront the body of his former friend Geto, he was momentarily distracted. That single moment was enough. Using the prison realm, his enemies sealed away the strongest sorcerer. With Gojo gone, chaos consumed the Jujutsu world. Yet even sealed away, his presence continued to influence everyone around him. Allies fought to free him. Enemies feared the day he would return. The very balance of the world depended on one man. When Gojo was finally released, fans witnessed one of the most anticipated comebacks in anime history. The strongest sorcerer stood once again against the greatest threat humanity had ever faced, Sukuna, the king of curses. Their battle became legendary. Two monsters at the peak of power clashed with techniques beyond imagination. Entire landscapes were torn apart. Every attack could have destroyed armies. It was the battle that the world of Jujutsu Kaisen had been building toward for years. And although Gojo gave everything he had, pushing Sukuna further than anyone else ever could, fate had a different ending in mind. His final battle cemented his legacy forever. Gojo Satoru was more than just the strongest sorcerer. He was a mentor, a revolutionary, a friend, and a man who carried impossible expectations on his shoulders. He stood at the top of the world, yet his greatest dream was never about power. It was about creating a future where no one would have to bear the burden of being the strongest alone. And that is why, even after his story ended, the legend of Gojo Satoru continues to live on in the hearts of millions of fans around the world.